The program is an interdisciplinary program that brings together scholars really globally for knowledge exchange and for collaborative partnerships. The course is set within this space of decolonial knowledge production. We wanted to set an agenda for exploring new intellectual frontiers of knowledge, particularly in exploring ways of understanding transgenerational trauma and violent histories. Each of the modules is designed to ensure that students' research responds to issues that are of relevance to society. The course is designed to be in dialogue with the rest of the programs of our center, AVReQ. The center itself is a buzzing hub of intellectual debates, conversations within passages and offices of the postgraduate students, and this makes for a very rich environment for dynamic research and development of ideas among the students. The lecturers for the course come from a diverse range of our own research community at AVReQ, as well as an international and interdisciplinary group of scholars. They are renowned experts in their respective fields.
I think understanding of violence and the root causes of violence is evolving, and I hope that the knowledge that I'm sharing, someone is going to learn something from it and pass it on.
Collectively, we are concerned and focused on the idea of difficult knowledge in university spaces, as universities are often spaces that have difficulty telling their own history. And we're interested in work that tries to unearth these institutional archives and deal with the difficult and problematic knowledge that we sit with in these spaces.
Walking through Stellenbosch University's campus, we are exposed to the ways in which South Africa's segregationist, colonial and apartheid history had been woven into the very architecture of our campus. And that reveals tensions between the past and the present, discussions surrounding memorialization, public history, and what does the past mean to us today.
What is at the heart of this course is really the idea that these histories of violence, these transgenerational stories, they don't go away. They are passed on across generations. The course itself is very much about both the past, the present, but also about how we imagine the future. To ask the question, how do we interrupt these processes of repetition?
This MPhil is a very important intervention in scholarship, broadening and deepening our understanding of the imprint violence has on the imagination, on societies, and on the world, allowing us to understand from the Global South, with the Global South, through the Global South, ways of thinking about the world that we inherit that is inaugurated by certain cycles of violence.
This is an opportunity to become the pioneer of a course that is going to think for the world, for Stellenbosch, for South Africa, for Africa, about how do you deal with transgenerational trauma, violence, including the violence that is happening right now in the world.
We look forward to welcoming you to this very special opportunity to exchange ideas with one another, explore new avenues of inquiry in transgenerational trauma and violent histories. This is a wonderful opportunity to go beyond the academy and to bring scholarship into dialogue with public engagement in service of community and society.